Hello everyone, my name is Mandesai. I study in grade 9 Sun Kabir School. The title of my project is The Journey of Developing Internal Talent. So what does leadership mean to me? The qualities that I see in our real world heroes, the decision taking ability of our ex-cricket captain MS Dhoni, wise, influential and empathetic like PM Modi, thinking innovatively and disrupting regular norms like our entrepreneurs. So these were some of the virtual challenges. So this is the picture of my wand. This is the picture while I was making the wand. This is the picture of my vision board. This is the picture while I was making the vision board. These are the skills required and how will I develop that skills. These are the toys which I made. These are the images while I was making the toys. These are some brief about my toys. This is a tortoise and I use clay to make it. This is a rabbit and I used clay to make it. This is a referee bot and I used tin caps, wires and motors to make it. So there was another challenge in which we had to help in the kitchen. These were some of the tasks which I did. So this is the picture of day 1 while I was doing this task. This is the picture of day 2. This is the picture of day 3. This is the picture of day 4. And this is the picture of day 5. So my experience in this task. My experience in this task helping was very good. I found my hidden talent of being a good chef and a good at cleaning utensils, but I also realized the amount of hard work which is needed in cooking, cleaning utensils, making juice, etc. Overall, it was difficult yet nice task. So there was another task in which we had to look upon one topic which we could eliminate to make this world a better place. I took the topic water pollution and my problem statement is that I want to reduce water pollution due to the harmful causes on humans and animals. So these are the outcomes when I see that this problem is eliminated. So these are some of the actions that I will take. The first, I will create awareness among the people. Second is I will give government present water pollution stats. Third is I will distribute water purifying systems among the poor people and in slum areas, and fourth I will empower children. These are some of the social action which I took. First, I conducted research on the topic water pollution. I talked with expert on call. Second, I collected data from internet. Resources utilized are expert water conservationists. And second, I read from a web page called nrdc.org. Second, I conducted sessions to spread awareness. I took 2 sessions in my school. I took 1 public session. And third, I use social media, Facebook, to spread my awareness. Time utilized in it was 7 hours in total. Third is approached the municipal authority to talk about the same. I wrote an email to the mayor of Vadodara. Time utilized in it was 30 minutes. So these are my overall details. I reached 379 people. Number of days spent in doing all this task are 12 days. Then the total amount spent is 100 rupees. So what are the challenges that I faced while doing all this task? First, while making the wand, the challenges faced was while making the design of the wand and put all the symbols in one single wand. Second, while making the toys, the biggest was to mold the clay properly so that the sculptures looked real. Third was while helping in the kitchen. The greatest challenge was not to create mess. Fourth is while working on let's make this world a better place. The biggest challenge was gathering correct information so that I could spread awareness that was true. My overall learnings. The overall learning during Lead Camp 1 was how to address a huge group of people. Second was how to coordinate and work with unknown teammates. Second is how overall learning during action on challenge was first time management. In time management, I had to manage my studies time as well as this lead projects time. Second is how to spread awareness among different kind of people. I remember one incident when I was addressing a group of people in which one person told me that he doesn't agree with my points. So I told him that why don't you agree? So he told that I don't think that water pollution is a big step. So I showed him some pictures, and then after seeing that pictures, he realized that it is a very big problem. So third is overall learning during Lead Camp 2 was first how to present in a very formal way. Our speaker explained us how to present in a very formal way as he was an entrepreneur. Second was how to make proper presentation. Third was how to make an impact on people who are seeing the presentation. After seeing that presentation, people could think that, oh yes, this presentation was nice, and let's make this world a better place by eliminating water pollution. So what are the skills utilized? First, the skills utilized while making the one was managing. Second was mouse handling skills, and third was creativity. The skills that were utilized while making the vision board were managing, creativity, and mouse handling. Third, the skills utilized while helping in the kitchen, cooking, staying organized, and third, cleanliness. So fourth is skills utilized while making the toys. First, problem solving, and second, creativity. Skills utilized in let's make this world a better place. First, problem solving, and second, critical thinking. And last, skills utilized while spreading awareness was first communication skills and second, writing skills. So my leadership journey was fantabulous, and I learned a lot of things throughout the whole journey. The journey was not an ordinary journey in the sense that in this journey I had to use many skills of mine which I was unaware of. So the journey helped me to explore my hidden talents, and this journey also showed me that a good leader has the power to bring change. Thank you.